Good morning, class 10th. You must have come across situations like cost of 2 pens and 3 pencils is rupees 30 and cost of 3 pens and 2 pencils is rupees 40. Find the cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil. To solve these type of problems, you may use the knowledge of class 9 to represent such situations as linear equations in two variables. So today we are going to start chapter 3, which is pair of linear equations in two variables. As I had taken an example that cost of 2 pens and 3 pencils is rupees 30 and cost of 3 pens and 2 pencils is rupees 40. We need to represent this situation in the form of linear equations in two variables. So let cost of one pen equals to x and cost of one pencil equals to y. Let us suppose this. Now it is given that cost of two pens and three pencils is rupees 30. So cost of two pens and three pencils, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 30. Again cost of three pens, that is 3x, and two pencils, that is 2y, is 40. So you can see that the given word problem we had represented in the form of linear equations in two variables where variables are x and y. You also know that an equation which can be represented in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, so belongs to real numbers, and a and b are not both 0 is called linear equations in two variables in x and y. Two linear equations are in the same two variables x and y. Equations like these are called a pair of linear equations in two variables, which are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Let us start exercise 3.1. Question number 1 is Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So let present age of Aftab equals to x years and present age of daughter equals to y years. Now the first condition is given, 7 years ago age of Aftab will be 7 times as old as his daughter. Now if the present age of Aftab is x and daughter is y, so 7 years ago age of Aftab was x minus 7 and age of daughter y minus 7. According to question, age of Aftab is 7 times. Age of Aftab, that is x minus 7, is 7 times age of his daughter. Now simplify it. So x minus 7 equals to 7y minus 7 7 is 49. If we shift minus 49 here and 7y to left hand side, so it will be x minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 will be 42 equals to 0. So this is the first condition, first linear equation of given word problem. Now in the second case, after 3 years from now, that is after 3 years, age of Aftab will be 3 times as old as his daughter. So after 3 years, age of Aftab is will be x plus 3 and age of daughter will be y plus 3. So age of Aftab will be 3 times age of his daughter. Again simplify it. So after simplifying it, x plus 3 equals to 3y plus 9, x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the representation of these two equations will represent the given word problem in the form of pair of linear equations in two variables. We will solve the geometrical representation in the next video. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and two more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically. So let cost of one bat equals to x and cost of one ball equals to y. So in the first condition, it is given cost of 3 bats and 6 balls is rupees 3900. So 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. Or if we divide this equation by 3, you can see all the coefficient of x or y are divisible by 3. So it will be x plus 2y equals to 1300. In the second case, it is given that she buys another bat and two more balls for same kind of rupees 1300. So a bat that is x, two balls that is 2y, so x plus 2y equals to 1300. So this is the representation of second question in the form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Third question, the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent this situation algebraically. So let cost of 1 kg of apple is x and cost of 1 kg of grapes is y. So in the first condition, it is given that cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kilogram of grapes, that is 2x plus y, is 160. So this is first equation. And in the second case, they are saying that cost of 4 kilogram of apples, that is 4x, and 2 kilogram of grapes, that is 2y, is rupees 300. So equals to 300. This is second equation. Or you can see in the second equation, if we divide the whole equation by 2, it will be 2x plus y equals to 150. So this is the representation of third question algebraically in the form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Today's homework is you have to do exercise 3.1 question number 1, 2 and 3 in your fair notebook. Thank you children.